get my hair done today. I'm gonna get a relaxer. I'm really risking it because I've been scratching my hair. But I don't really want to do a week. I don't want to do nothing else right now. I just want to get my hair done. And this is how I'm gonna get my hair done. So I just finished my hair. It is now 6:22. I got here like after 1. I'ma just finish my hair. I'm just waiting on hubby now to come pick me up. Oh, by the way, I did drive earlier today. I drive to come down, but he's been on the road, so yeah. I'm probably gonna go into Mirror downstairs, see if they're still open for one. And then see if I can buy like a lip liner, a lighter lip liner. And then go from there. So, how do you guys like my hair? It's new. It's not usually the way that I would have done my hair, but I like it. It can go on. Like, shabad. Good night, guys. Good night. Just got home. Hair tea. Just got home. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. The boys are not sleeping and I need them to go to bed. My camera needs to charge. So this is AJ's cake. It's a Paw Patrol cake. I soon show you guys. When I get my cakes custom made, I get them from Brit J's Cake. You can find her on Instagram. Now, this bag is full of all my packages that my husband opened because he didn't want to carry all the boxes, okay? So, forgive me for the style of the unboxing. Alright, so before we get into that unboxing, I did buy some stuff from Mirror. Just two little things, nothing much. You hear? Nothing much. So I got Juvia's Place foundation in the color Lagos 240, and she gave me a Mirror weightless blurring powder foundation. The e.l.f. primer here, I'm not sure if I the right e.l.f. primer. Then I have a brown lip liner, but I don't like the color. I think it's too dark for me, right? So those 4 things is what I bought. Okay, those 4 things is what I bought. Alright. So as you guys know, I'm a coloring girly. I color. So when I'm on live, right? Or not even when I'm on live, I bought this to use as my protective sheet for when I'm coloring. So when I'm coloring, I just put it underneath the page to avoid the spilling over of the markers. So I got this from someone on the TikTok shop by the name of VSJ. I created this, ChatGPT created this, and this is also her coloring book. It's a Destinations Dream coloring book. Love it. It looks like so much fun. I just love it. But tell them somebody, I do this coloring thing now. I do it, okay? It's my hobby, right? If you follow me, I will spend money on this coloring thing. Alright, so AJ's birthday stuff, because we're gonna be celebrating tomorrow. So I bought, this is not the right pair. So I got the wrong size for him in this. This would have been a 9.5 and I should have gotten a 10.5. So I did go back and get a 10.5. So I ended up buying 2 pairs of these shoes. I bought some spearmint tea bags. These are for the hairs that I tell you guys keep growing, and it's due to hormonal imbalance, and also based on what I'm learning, it may be insulin. We're not gonna go there because I don't know for sure, right? Should I go do my test and stuff? I should, but yeah. So I bought that to help with the hair growing underneath my chin. So this is AJ's birthday outfit. This is what he's wearing: a jean set with the Paw Patrol underneath, and then the sneakers. This is for me because everybody's going to be wearing jeans and a white t-shirt. So this is for me. The jeans shorts. This is my first time buying jeans from Shein. Size small, looking like a smart size medium. So I bought one of those jean shorts. Yeah, I love it. It looks almost close to AJ's. What's this? Long sleeve t-shirt. Oh, this is my shirt that I bought from Amazon. My white t-shirt. This is my white t-shirt. Small from Amazon. This is Daddy's shirt. Jamil's shirts came in the last package. I think I showed you that. So this was supposed to be the balloons and everything. I'm still gonna blow them up and everything for him tomorrow. So I'm gonna blow them up for him tomorrow. So like how he has his Paw Patrol cake, he'll have his Paw Patrol balloons. I bought a keyboard for my laptop. Let me show you guys what it looks like, because I want to know what it looks like, because I don't want to make it long, so that's why. I bought a keyboard and a mouse. It's one of those keyboards, you know? Yeah. And then the mouse, wireless mouse came with it. Wait, these need batteries? These needed batteries. And I don't have any batteries. Look at that. And this is my laptop stand. I bought this little clock for Jamil to start reading the time, because we're at that stage now. So I bought this clock for him to start reading the time and telling me what time it is. Alright, so inositol and zinc also purchased to do the whole, rebalance the hormonal balancing. That's what I bought. I bought this plug because right here is a mess with all these plugs and everything. So I bought this. Good night, Jamil. This is, I don't know if it's Acwell or Acewell Licorice pH balancing toner, 5.5. This is also a Korean toner. I don't know what this is for. Okay, yay! So the boys' name or letter necklaces came. So A for AJ, A for Shawnee, J for Jamil. Yay! I bought this case for my tablet. I bought this pink case for my tablet. I wanted purple, but they didn't have purple. So it's gonna have the keyboard and it's going to have a mouse as well. So yeah. Yeah. And then this is a little desk that I bought for the printer, for the printer to go on. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up now. So guys, that is my unboxing. You want to see the mess that is currently right now, but I want to hide the makeup stuff from my husband. I have to hide the makeup stuff from my husband. When I trying to tell him, no, don't tell him. But guys, yeah, that's the end of the unboxing. I'm gonna start drinking my steel mints. Tomorrow they said to drink, I think, 2 bags a day. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I just finished washing my hair and I thought, let me call my peoples and we can do this together, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and mold down my hair. So I have my Nairobi mousse, which is almost finished. I need another bottle. My argan oil, almost finished as well. I'm gonna buy a different oil. And then I have my wrapping strips, and then I have my do-rag. So that is how I'm going to hold down my hair. I'm gonna keep this on right here, so for now. I did already put in my leave-in conditioner. So we literally just need to get to molding right now. Okay. There's no specifics for me. No specifics whatsoever. Now this is the shortest. I've ever cut my hair, and I can't wait for it to grow back. I look forward to it growing back so that I can get back my high top cut. Like, if you know me, you know my high top cut. Okay? You know I love me a high top cut. Is that too? The worst part is I can't see without my glasses. My hands. That's one thing about having a pixie. Get ready to work your hands, okay? Boy guys, come on, I forgot you make up it because I can't see nothing. I don't really care for the parts, but I'm just doing it to do it. Yeah, we're not doing parts. We're gonna try soupy doop and whoopty doop. And all the oops, okay? That's what we're about to do. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I'm just finishing up the sides. Alright, as for the back, now we're gonna go ahead tie her down. Okay, we're gonna tie her down. All right, got my helmet on. Let me go for my do-rag now. All right, so I don't have a heater. I don't have a dryer. So, yes.
Are you going to have one?
This is what I'm gonna do for the next 2 hours, and then I'll come back and show you guys, okay? I completely forgot to pick up the camera this morning when I took off my scarf, my do-rag, but this is the hair, right? This is, what I did was I just fluffed out the mold. I didn't curl it or anything. I just kind of just put my hand in it and just fluffed it up because, one, I didn't have enough time to mold it. And, no, I didn't have enough time to curl it because, I have my lash appointment. So I didn't have enough time to curl it after finishing work. So tomorrow we have something to do. Tomorrow we're going to a range. God's Spirit Life and All Things are where we actually do get to go. It's something that I've been wanting to do. Hubby's cousin called and asked, if he was still going. Hubby said, can my wife come? You know what I love? I just love and appreciate my husband so much because there are things that he has been invited to do, and some of them he doesn't want to do it if I'm not experiencing it. Like, I don't know if I shared with you guys before. No, I didn't share with you guys. It's in a vlog, but Hubby and I went for our China visa. We got our visa, and Hubby wanted me to come. But we were talking, I was saying to him, no, you just go and go do what you need to go do. It's for the business. Go and do what you need to do. But then he was just like, you're missing out on this experience. And he was starting to feel discouraged to go because I'm missing out on the experience. Then the whole war started. So he just didn't bother go. We didn't bother to go. Because we were making up our minds for me to go. We were trying to fix and, yeah. So I'm grateful for him because his cousin called for him to go to the gun range, and he's like, can my wife come? And then probably his cousin's like, yo, everywhere that you take him on, carry him wife, because we want to experience things together. I don't get to experience much because I'm now a wife and a mother, and I'm busy mothering. So in every chance that he gets, he wants to involve me in it. So let him. Hopefully I am able to show you guys and stuff, but I'm excited about that. But yeah, so tonight I'm gonna curl my hair tonight, so that way for tomorrow. So yeah, but this is what I did. Nothing crazy. I'm just there. We're getting some food at Chicken and Things, and I'm just waiting for Hobby to come so that I can go ahead and get something to eat. You know what I'm excited for? The fat nap that I'm about to take to get my lashes done. I'll go and chop it up with her a little bit, and then I'm gonna say, girl, see you soon. Okay, because I need a nap, because this is the only time that I actually get to take a nap without my kids. Okay, so I'm gonna take a fat nap. So I just shelved down my food. I didn't remember to call you guys to show you, but I just shelved down my food, and I actually ate off everything. That's to show you that I was hungry. But hungry, man. But hungry. I was hungry. I sent Hubby to buy me a mint sweetie, either a bubble gum or a sweetie, because when you just ate something, you need to freshen up back your breath, Yeah. I was gonna do my lip combo because I carried it with me, but oh, did I show you guys? I got a new lippy. I did. I did not show you guys, but I got a new one, right? Did I show you guys? Yeah, I showed you guys. So this is it. What's going on? I don't know. Bear in mind, I can barely see anything right now. My lips are already big already and super plump. So, yeah. I feel like I need a lighter or a more pinkier one. Yeah, I feel like I need like a more pinkier one. But yeah, that's the girl. That's the girl. I will say of the Lord, He's can't carry you guys with me. I was told no photos, so I'll tell you guys about it. So guys, as I told you guys, we were at gun range. I couldn't take you guys along. No videography nor photography. It was good and scary all at the same time. So my husband and I were just talking about me shooting. So I don't squeeze with my index finger, I squeeze with my middle finger. So he was saying that just looks weird, and it does look weird. it looks too off, but that's what I'm comfortable shooting with. But as I said, the experience was both scary and good at the same time. I enjoyed it. I would go back over and over and over again. It's an experience to remember. And I wasn't going to shoot now, but my husband pushed me. And that's one of the things that I can count on, is the things that I don't want to do. He is going to make me do them, especially for the experience. Because I was just gonna watch him, but then they're like, no, you gotta do it. You have to do it. I wish I could show you guys, but I can't because we were not allowed to record or anything where we were, so I can't even give you guys anything. But just know that it was fun, and if you can go there and you know someone who's a licensed firearm holder, legal licensed firearm holder, and you can get to go.